There are 5 secrets that you don't know in Power BI DAX that I'm going to be digesting today in this short video. So number one, first things first, you know that DAX is known as data analysis expression, and it is used for formula language in Power BI. Most of people don't actually get the difference between DAX and also the normal syntax in Excel. So if you're good with normal syntax in Excel, you can actually have your way around Power BI. It's just little formalities that is there in DAX that is not in Excel. So number two, let's get right on calculation capabilities. DAX provides a wide range of calculation capabilities, including mathematical operations, test manipulations, conditional state, and aggregations. It allows you to create calculated columns, measures, and tables to perform complex calculations. Measures are just calculations that you can use to show more insight about your data. You can actually do this seamlessly with DAX. So the number three thing is relationship based on calculation. One of the powerful features of DAX is its ability to perform calculations based on relationships. You can actually relate to your X to your Y, and actually relate to your point of sales to your point of delivery or point of revenue. So whichever one that is good. By defining relationship in Power BI data models, you can use that to create calculations, aggregate data across related tables. The number four thing is time intelligence function. DAX actually includes a set of built-in functions specifically designed for time-based analysis. These functions enables you to perform calculations such as year-to-date, quarter-to-date, moving averages, comparison between different time periods. They make it easier to analyze and visualize trend in your data over time. You see, that is actually very even more powerful. The fifth thing is optimizing and performance. DAX is highly optimized for performance, allowing you to work with large data sets and complex calculations efficiently. Power BI introduced a technique called VTPAC for memory storage and compressions, which helps improve query performance. You can improve your query performance using DAX because it has all these compatibilities to compress memory storage. So additionally, you can actually optimize these formulas for using techniques like using proper filter text, avoiding unnecessary calculations, and leveraging query forwardings to push computations back to the data source. You can see that with DAX, you can actually extract stuff to your data source. For instance, you have your data line in your SQL, you can use some queries, and also you can to extract that from your SQL down to your Power BI, and also use DAX to even drill and get more insight. So one thing you should know, always remember that DAX is a powerful tool for data modeling analysis in Power BI, and it's worth exploring its capabilities to unlock full potentials. The goal of all these things is to solve problems, to solve business problems, to provide solutions, and DAX is one of those things that can help you prune your data, that can help you beat your data up, so that your data can give you a refined answer of what you actually want to achieve. In the new Power BI updates, you can actually use your NLP, that is your natural language processing, to actually formulate DAX. For those that are finding it hard to formulate DAX, or finding it hard to actually go with the DAX, just you can actually use your natural language to actually achieve this in the new update. So watch the link and click the link rather in my next video, and also you see it about natural language processing in DAX and Power BI. Thank you. Also remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit that like button to get more of this in Power BI.